Even if you exercise 5 days a week and eat 120 grams of protein daily to build your muscles, but you don't eat the right foods rich in important vitamins for your muscle health like magnesium, you still won't build muscle, especially as you age. Gym bros keep telling you that the number one thing you need to build muscle is eating high-protein foods and hitting the gym. What if I told you that it is not entirely true? The number one thing you need to build muscle is not just protein, but magnesium. But here is a secret most seniors are not aware of. Even if you take magnesium supplements, you still won't build muscle, because most magnesium supplements do not have other important vitamins present like natural food sources of magnesium does. Seniors also make the mistake of taking an overdose of magnesium supplements. But taking high doses of magnesium supplements will not give you enough magnesium to build muscle, because seniors need at least 300 grams to 400 grams of magnesium a day to build muscle, and most magnesium supplements have way less than that. That is why in this video, I will tell you 3 natural food sources of magnesium that have 10 times more magnesium than the magnesium supplements you buy from the shelf. I'm starting with the second best food source first because it's currently in your fridge right now. Then I'll reveal the absolute best one that most people don't even consider. I will also be telling you 2 foods to never combine with your magnesium-rich foods if you want to beat sarcopenia and build muscle after 60. Subscribe right away if you have not. Let us begin. Number 1. Spinach. Before I tell you how spinach can give you natural magnesium, let me tell you why magnesium is important for muscle growth. Magnesium is important for building muscles in seniors because, as we age, our muscles naturally want to stay tight. They lose their ability to relax properly between movements. Without enough magnesium, a senior's muscles can't fully relax after exercise. They stay partially contracted, like a fist that won't fully open. And when your muscles can't relax, they can't recover. Blood can't flow in with fresh nutrients. The muscle building process just stops. But here's the thing. Seniors need more magnesium than younger people because their bodies don't absorb it as well anymore. So for seniors, magnesium isn't just important. It's absolutely critical. It's the key that unlocks muscle relaxation, which unlocks recovery, which unlocks growth. Now you may be wondering, why spinach and how can an ordinary vegetable give you the amount of magnesium that you need? Well, cooked spinach contains an impressive 157 milligrams of magnesium per cup. That's nearly 40% of what most seniors need daily. This plant-based magnesium is absorbed 1.5 times more efficiently than magnesium supplements, making it incredibly effective for seniors fighting muscle loss. The magnesium directly supports muscle relaxation and helps maintain the nerve signals that control your muscle contractions. But here's what most seniors don't know. Cooked spinach is packed with folate and potassium. These nutrients reduce inflammation in your muscles, allowing them to recover faster and grow stronger after exercise. The folate also improves protein synthesis, which means your body can actually use the protein you eat more effectively. Recent research from Harvard followed 2,900 seniors for 4 years. Those who ate magnesium-rich leafy greens daily maintained significantly more muscle mass and strength compared to those with low magnesium intake. Furthermore, traditional Mediterranean cultures have used cooked spinach for centuries to combat what they called muscle weakness in the elderly. Ancient healers understood that this leafy green could restore strength to aging bodies long before modern science proved them right. Preparing cooked spinach is simple. Steam fresh spinach leaves for 2 to 3 minutes with a pinch of sea salt and lemon juice. Do not overcook it so you don't kill the vitamins in them. You can have them for breakfast, lunch, and dinner by trying out these recipes. For breakfast, make a spinach and feta omelet by sautéing spinach, pouring in whisked eggs, adding feta and cherry tomatoes, then folding and garnishing with dill. For lunch, cook some potatoes, grill chicken, and prepare a garlic parmesan cream sauce with spinach. Toss everything together, top with chicken slices, and finish with red pepper flakes. For dinner, cook brown rice, then sauté garlic in butter, add shrimp with seasoning, and stir in spinach. Serve the garlicky shrimp and spinach over rice with a squeeze of lemon. Now, although there are certain foods you should never eat with cooked spinach, which I'll reveal later in this video, for maximum muscle growth benefits, you can pair it perfectly with some of your meals. But if you only eat cooked spinach, you still may not gain muscle if you are not eating this next magnesium source alongside it, because this next magnesium food works incredibly well with cooked spinach to maximize your muscle growth. Number 2. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds deliver a massive 150 to 170 milligrams of magnesium per ounce. That's nearly 50% of what most seniors need daily. This magnesium is primarily chelated with amino acids, which directly supports muscle protein synthesis and strengthens the cellular energy systems within your muscle fibers. For seniors, this means more efficient results after your evening walk and better muscle recovery between your resistance training sessions. What's shocking is that pumpkin seeds contain high levels of zinc and phosphorus, the same minerals found in expensive muscle-building supplements. These nutrients optimize testosterone production and speed up muscle repair and recovery time, allowing you to build strength faster than you ever thought possible at your age. A recent study tracked 72 seniors for 3 months. Those who consumed pumpkin seeds daily increased their grip strength by 23% and improved their overall muscle function scores by 31%. Also, traditional Native American cultures have used pumpkin seeds for muscle growth for over 1,000 years. Ancient healers knew that these seeds are one of the foods containing the most concentrated muscle-supporting minerals of any food source. To prepare pumpkin seeds, roast them at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes with sea salt and olive oil. They should be golden and crispy when done. Here's the secret. When you combine cooked spinach with pumpkin seeds, you get both folate-enhanced magnesium and amino acid-bound minerals. This creates a complete absorption pathway that your muscles can't get from any single source. The spinach and pumpkin magnesium relaxes muscles for recovery, while the pumpkin seed minerals provide long-lasting cellular energy support. Together, they work like a tag team to fuel your muscles from the inside out. For breakfast, sprinkle roasted pumpkin seeds over your Greek yogurt with berries. The healthy fats help absorb the minerals while providing sustained energy. At lunch, toss them into your salad with grilled chicken for extra crunch and nutrition. For dinner, eat a small handful of seasoned pumpkin seeds 30 minutes before your main course. However, consuming just cooked spinach and pumpkin seeds together may not be enough to build muscle if you're missing this third crucial magnesium source, because this final magnesium powerhouse creates the perfect mix with spinach and pumpkin seeds to unlock maximum muscle growth potential. Number 3. Chia seeds. Chia seeds deliver a massive 95 milligrams of magnesium per ounce. That's nearly 25% of what most seniors need daily. This magnesium is naturally bound with omega-3 fatty acids, which directly enhances muscle membrane function and strengthens the electrical signals that control muscle contractions. For seniors, this means better muscle coordination and reduced cramping during physical activity. What's shocking is that chia seeds contain high levels of calcium and protein, and guess what? You need calcium and protein to grow muscles. These nutrients optimize muscle contraction and relaxation cycles and accelerate tissue repair time, allowing you to maintain muscle mass faster than you ever thought possible at your age. A groundbreaking study tracked 67 seniors for 12 weeks. Those who consumed chia seeds daily increased their walking endurance by 19% and improved their muscle power output by 26%. The researchers concluded that the unique omega-3 magnesium combination made it superior to standard mineral supplements. Traditional Aztec warriors used chia seeds for sustained strength during long battles over 500 years ago. Ancient healers knew that these tiny seeds contained the most balanced muscle-fueling nutrients of any portable food source. To prepare chia seeds, soak them in water for 15 to 20 minutes until they form a gel-like consistency. It is important and very crucial to soak them minutes or hours before use to avoid constipation. They should expand to 3 times their original size when ready. Here's the secret. When you combine chia seeds with both spinach and pumpkin seeds, you get folate-enhanced magnesium, amino acid-bound minerals, and omega-3 activated absorption. This creates a triple-action muscle support system that your body can't get from any single source. The chia omega-3s enhance cellular uptake, the spinach provides immediate muscle relaxation, while the pumpkin seed minerals deliver sustained energy. Together, they work like a coordinated team to rebuild your muscles at the cellular level. For breakfast, stir soaked chia seeds into your overnight oats with almond milk and cinnamon. The gel texture aids digestion while maximizing nutrient absorption. At lunch, blend them into your protein smoothie for extra thickness and nutrition. For dinner, sprinkle soaked chia seeds over your steamed vegetables 15 minutes before eating. This timing ensures optimal magnesium release when your muscles need it most for evening recovery and overnight repair. But here's the problem. It doesn't matter how much spinach, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds you eat if you mix them with these next two foods I'm about to reveal. The second one is something you probably had this week. In fact, these foods can actually poison your body, and that's the last thing you want. Listen. Spinach, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds are amazing for building muscle when you eat them right. But there are two everyday foods that can wipe out all their good effects. Even worse, they can create harmful stuff in your body that actually hurts your muscles and joints. Most older adults don't know they're ruining their own muscle-building progress by eating these regular foods with their magnesium-rich foods. After looking at many nutrition studies and helping thousands of seniors who are losing muscle, plus working with top muscle experts, I've found the two worst food combinations that older adults must stay away from. The first food you should never eat with any magnesium-rich food is sodas, are one of the most common drinks older adults have with their magnesium foods. But this fizzy drink is secretly hurting your muscle building. Sodas have something called phosphoric acid. This acid steals magnesium from your body before your muscles can use it. When you drink soda with magnesium foods like spinach, chia seeds, or pumpkin seeds, the acid takes the magnesium away from your muscles. A study in 2020 looked at 180 older adults for 10 weeks. People who drank sodas with their magnesium meals only got 45% of the magnesium compared to people who didn't drink sodas. The researchers found something scary. Phosphoric acid doesn't just block magnesium, it actually pulls magnesium out of your muscles. But here's the worst part most doctors don't tell you. When soda mixes with your magnesium foods, it makes bad compounds. These harmful things build up in your muscles and make them weak. They actually make you lose muscle faster. You're basically stealing from the muscles you're trying to help. I'll never forget treating Linda, a 65-year-old woman who came to me upset after 4 months of eating magnesium foods every day with no muscle gain. She was drinking diet soda with every meal, thinking it was better than regular soda. Within 2 weeks of stopping all sodas and drinking water with lemon instead, she gained 1.8 pounds of muscle and said she felt stronger than she had in months. So if you want to build your muscles, never drink soda within 3 hours of eating magnesium foods. Your muscle strength and your ability to stay independent depend on it. You can swap sodas for ginger teas. They are a much healthier option. If you think this is shocking, wait till you hear the last one. The second food not to pair with these magnesium-rich foods is high-sodium cereals, especially at breakfast. Many seniors enjoy a bowl of cereal in the morning, thinking it's a healthy way to start the day. But when you combine high-sodium cereals with magnesium-rich foods like spinach, chia seeds, or pumpkin seeds, you're creating a perfect storm that destroys your muscle-building potential. Even moderate amounts of sodium, just 1 serving of regular cereal, can increase magnesium loss by up to 35%. High-sodium cereals interfere with your kidney's ability to hold on to the magnesium from your healthy foods, essentially flushing your magnesium down the drain. The timing makes it worse. Eating high-sodium cereals at breakfast disrupts the natural magnesium absorption that should happen throughout the day. A major study tracked 180 seniors for 10 weeks. Those who ate high-sodium cereals within 2 hours of magnesium foods showed much lower magnesium levels compared to the low-sodium group. The researchers discovered that excess sodium forces the kidneys to work overtime, and seniors' kidneys are less efficient at keeping minerals. But here's what's truly dangerous. High sodium combined with magnesium creates an imbalance that makes harmful compounds build up in muscle tissue and causes weakness. You're literally stealing from your muscles while trying to strengthen them. I treated Sarah, a 68-year-old retired teacher who faithfully ate her spinach and chia seeds every morning, followed by her favorite brand name cereal. Despite eating magnesium-rich foods for 3 months, her muscle strength kept getting worse. Within 4 weeks of switching to low-sodium oatmeal, her leg strength increased by 18%, and she gained 1.2 pounds of muscle. The solution is simple. Choose cereals with less than 140 milligrams of sodium per serving.